Hello everyone, let's walk through how to create an automatic, blueprint-based electronic exam. From the Exams page, click Create Exam. Then, choose Regular Exam. In the exam type, choose Automatic. Under Exam Layout, select one section. Then, for exam delivery type, choose E-Exam. Next, fill in the exam details. Exam name. Number of items. Exam duration. Total mark. Pass mark. Then, click Create. Once all fields are completed, you're ready to move to the next step. Scroll to the Subject and Item Type section. Select your subject, then mark the item types you'd like to include, MQTF True or False and Essay. Click Next to move to the blueprint setup. Now, choose the blueprint criterion you want to use. You'll find 4 options: allocated marks, ILOS, intended learning outcomes, teaching hours, relative weight. For this example, let's go with allocated marks. Once selected, the blueprint table becomes active. Mark the parts of the subject content you want to include, either all or specific ones. Then, click Next. You'll now see a detailed matrix that includes the selected parts content, allocated marks per the subject specification, required number of items, available items in the item bank, types of items available, MQ, TF, Essay, total items available to use. After reviewing, you can either click View Items to proceed, or click Save to reuse this blueprint later. On the Items page, you'll see all automatically generated items. Here, you can preview each item, replace items with alternatives of the same level in the blueprint, make sure to distribute marks and duration appropriately, then click Next. In the Exam Settings tab, scroll to Exam Directions. Enter clear and concise exam instructions. Under Exam Delivery, choose how questions will appear. All in one, all questions on a single page. One by one question per page. In the Exam Forms section, enable multiple exam forms to generate different versions. Then activate Shuffle Items, Shuffle Alternatives. Enable options like Publish Results, automatically show results after the exam tools, calculator, whiteboard. When done, scroll up and click Next to go to the preview page. Then click Submit for review. If you're a reviewer, you'll also see Finish and Publish. Go to the Settings page, and scroll to Exam Availability. Activate Student Identity Verification. You can adjust the confidence threshold, but it's best to keep the default unless required. Scroll down and activate Lockdown Settings, a third-party secure exam browser. Proctoring settings, monitor students during the exam. Blind marking, hide student identity during subjective marking. Then, set the start and end date/time of the exam. Choose how to deliver the exam, main server, test center, both. Then, optionally send the exam to specific groups of students. After confirming all your settings, click Next, then Publish. A pop-up will appear, click Confirm to finalize.